R7, EOS R7, they say. Canon R7. A lot of people don't like unboxing, so they make a bit of fun of it. I like them. Maybe some other people might like them as well, because quite often there's multiple versions of an item. Sometimes there's 3-4 different kits. Maybe not so much with Canon cameras. You usually get the camera, but there is ones where you've got kit lenses, or different kits. And I've also noticed, probably due to AI, that a lot of times you read things and some places it'll tell you has certain things in the box, which I don't think it does. It can be a bit confusing. I've over the years probably bought a few of these from Canon, so I pretty much know what to expect, what's in here, although I don't think there's any more software CDs. I don't think they give you that anymore. But anyway, yeah, I've also noticed some sites also can have completely wrong specs on the camera. They've got the camera name and they've written a whole bunch of stuff, which I imagine is either done by AI or by a junior person who doesn't know what they're writing. So yeah, sometimes unboxing or going through specs, even though it may seem monotonous for people who know what's going on already, it may benefit some people. So anyway, yep. So here we go. So the EOS R, it comes in a box. There's no plastic, not on this one. Okay. You get warranty card. This is probably pretty important. Something else that you may not know if you're not used to these things is some people will sell they call it a grey import. What that means is you could buy this from, let's say, someone in Europe, and you would think that because Canon or whatever company is throughout the world, that it wouldn't make any difference, but it does actually. If you buy the stock here in Australia, it's better to buy stock that comes directly from Canon Australia, because you will get the full Canon warranty. You will not get the warranty. You'll have to send it back to whatever country it came from. Also, there can be differences in what the warranty is that's offered in different areas. So you're probably better off, if you're not sure of what you're doing, you're probably better off supporting a local business. Just buy it off somebody who's trustworthy, or do your research, or just ask them direct. Is it a local Canon product? Is Canon locally going to actually honor the warranty, or is it going to have to go overseas? Some companies will tell you that it's a great import, and they offer to do the warranty for you. You may be comfortable with that, so just look into it. There is differences, and in saying that, part of the reason in saying that is what is in the box could actually be different, depending on where it comes from too. Anyway, this is Canon Australia, so this is what you get. Everything's in English, obviously. The manual. Okay, so you've got. I'll go through it one at a time. This has got some little barcodes, so you can scan it to get apps for your phone, get software, different apps. Okay, this one's so that you can learn how to use the product. Warranty card, so yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Manual does have multiple languages, but like I've said in my other videos, I'm a typical male, so who needs a manual? I'm only joking. You really should read the manual. These are quite complex. I'm used to them. The menus haven't really changed for decades. So I've been using since the first DSLR, so I'm quite used to Canon's menus. If you're not, they're quite easy. It's easier than some other companies. Some companies, the menus are quite convoluted. Anyway, yeah, so don't really listen to me, read the manual. Okay, get on with the rest of it. A charger. So this is your battery charger, of course. Cable for the battery charger. It's a standard Australian plug cable. Doesn't matter, if you did get an overseas version, it won't matter. This end of the plug is standard, so it's easy to get a cable to suit. A lot of chargers now are USB-C as well. The LPE6 battery, the NH version. This is just a high capacity battery. A lot of the older DSLRs still were using a similar battery, not quite as high capacity, but it's the same battery. Same size, I should say, not the same chemistry and everything. A neck strap, which I don't really like these neck straps. I'm not really wanting to advertise for Canon, but the main problem I find with them, they hurt your neck, they rub after a while if you're doing any sort of, you know, I quite often will carry the thing around all day, so maybe for a week at a time if you go to some event or whatever. And of course, okay, I'll get the box out of the way. The last thing is the actual camera. So okay, that's it. That's the R7. So yeah, this kit, no lens. This is a body only kit. But that's what you get when you buy the body only kit in Australia. I won't go into the specs on the camera. I won't go into what it does. You can look all that up. This was just to show you what's in the box. Hope that clarifies anything for you. I read somewhere that the box would have an adapter for EF to the RF mount, which that's what these are. That's why it's R7. And I highly doubted that. So yeah, it doesn't come with an adapter. Why would it? Canon wants to sell you one of those separately. But yeah, it would be nice actually if they did include that, because I'd imagine there'd be a bunch of the people buying this would have been coming from the EF or the DSLRs. So anyway, that's it. That's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope it was somewhat helpful. Yeah, I'll be doing different things to do with nature, some technology stuff. You can like and subscribe. You know, you've heard everyone say these things. If you've got any questions, yeah, you can put it in the comments. I'll try and answer some things for you if I can. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.